Hi, Mayprisha. I heard you have a new minigame for us, or dungeon party quest event thing. Frozen Blast. And we can possibly get the Frozen Blast Veteran Medal, or the Frozen Blast Novice Medal, or both. We'll get both, probably. What if you suddenly come back? Yeah, we know this stuff. Warning, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so no new explanation. Okay. Well, let's do this. Oh, they literally don't even give you any description. Alright. We got this. We got this. This is probably going to be a absolute train wreck. I wasn't here for the first couple days that this new adventure started. So this is actually my first run. That was fast. Oh. Okay, I guess we're doing magician. I literally don't know what I'm doing. Is this what we do? Is this the right method here? Alright. Ooh, already got a maple llama staff. This looks like my old mage. Cool. Alright, pretty sure we move forward, right? That's kind of been the trend. Level 9? Now what? Oh, they killed the witch. Okay. Alright. Alright. Wait, I could spam this? Oh my gosh. This is just like old Maple. Oh, get away! Oh, get away! Bet. I'm just stick with the squad, dude. Nobody's yelling so far, so I think we're doing okay. Coolie zombies! Get wrecked! Wait, what are these? Dry coolie. Like, dry ice. kind of funny. Well, since we can kill him, right? Oh, wait a minute. I can't do nothing to him. Dang, what the... Time for me to get out of here. Apparently. Whoopsie! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's super effective damage. The elemental damage. Okay, so you can't spam this as freely as you used to be able to, but still pretty cool. And there's that. Oh god, I aggroed him. Oopsie. Oh, we're good though. Level 20. Woohoo! Oh, what the? Was I supposed to clear that or something? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Literally didn't know. Oh, gosh, he one-shots! I forgot about this. I was trying to go to the other side, but I think you have to use the portal in the top right, right? Yeah, there we go. Dang, this is just like classic Zach. Oh, what? I didn't see my health. Ah, man. Let's go. Is that hitting? I hope that's hitting. Oh, gosh! No, don't hit me. Get them, boys! Ice demon, huh? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Dude, Ice Demon, like, the hitbox on this is so trash. Get up there and freeze him. I'm trying, dude. There's a lot of damage. Sheesh. Just reminds me of of my original zakum runs, to be honest. Like, half the party usually did not get out of there alive. Especially since you had, what, 1 life back then? 1 life, dude. 1 life. Yeah. So like nowadays you get like what 5? Some bosses 10 or 15. But back then you got 1 life, or if you had a bishop, you got a revive.